Hi lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cut this purple lace wig hair. This is my first time having a purple hair in my life, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so let's unbox this hair together. This is how the hair look. Since I received this hair, I was little bit worried to wear the hair because it's too purple, so I never tried before in my life. This is the first time. So this hair comes with two wig caps. This is a wig cap with two inside. So with a pair of lashes, and this is how the hair look with two blades. Yes. Wow, the hair looks so nice. I like the hair, it looks so nice. The color look too purple, but anyway, still I'm going to try it. So first of all, I'm going to use one of the wig cap. I'm going to use one of them wig cap. Yeah, because I want to glue the lace, the front lace, so that it can look natural. I know it's not going to be natural anyway because it's not my real hair, and the hair is not, how to call it, it's not a 100% human hair. It's a synthetic hair. It's a synthetic hair, but it's very nice. It looks so natural. Yeah, so it's the time to wear the hair. Let's try it on and see how it will look. How it look on me. How it look on me. Anyway, first time I see Cardi B wear this hair, I was so impressed to try it on me. So I am here trying it. The cap fits so good. This lace wig fit so good. As you can see, it lay on the front even without a glue. It fits so nice. The only thing I forget to do is to tint the lace, but anyway, I'm going to use my face powder for that later. You guys will see it in the process. I think I look late with this hair. I think I look late with this hair. So now I'm going to cut the lace. Sorry guys, I'm looking the other part because it's where I have the mirror. I don't want to mistake and cut the wrong side. So I'm taking my time, cutting it easy before I destroy the lace. Yes, how I have to concentrate guys, if not I'm gonna do a big mistake. That's me, I always do the wrong thing. Yes, so I finish with this part. As you guys can see, it lay even without I apply the glue yet. So I'm going to the other part. I'm gonna do the same thing to take my time to cut it as the way I want it. Yeah, so anyway, I am happy, and I don't even finish with the hair yet.
Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy.
Yeah, so now I'm going to use my lace with glue. I will shake it first. So I'm going to apply it. I'm gonna push the hair back, so I'll apply a little bit on my forehead, but unfortunately I end up applying too much. But anyway, I deal with that. So I deal with that. I'm using my hand because I don't see my comb, so I'm on hairs going out with friends, so I have to do it fast before the time, so that I can step out with this hair, with the purple hair. I imagine how the people gonna look at me with this purple hair, but anyway, it's my own choice to wear it, so it's cool. So I'm pressing, so that it can hold properly. So I'm going with my band to hold it tight so that it can lay and look natural. Yeah, so here I am. The girl is here. Yeah, with the stars. I'm glowing. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty powder just to apply it in front of the lace a little bit, so they can look like my skin, because I did not thin the lace. So I look lit with this hair anyway. I'm in love with this purple hair. With the purple hair. Yeah, so the girl is stepping out with this purple hair. So I finish. As you can see how the hair look on the back is very nice. It's nice. Wow. The girl is stepping out with the purple hair. Hey yo. So guys, this is the finishing look. As you guys see, I look cute and nice on the hair. So don't forget to comment and give me a huge thumbs up if you love this video. So you see you guys in my next video. Love you all. Bye.